told them myself, don't enter the woods.
We've offended him, Sven. The woodland spirit seeks revenge. This here is him saying we've strayed from the old paths.
Offended him? The monster's killed 5 already. He doesn't give a rat's arse about paths or tracks or me or you. He's a ploughing beast from the ploughing forest.
Split his ribcage. A strong one, this spirit of yours.
That's so. And who might you be?
Geralt. I'm a witcher.
A killer for hire. What do you seek here?
Saw your notice.
What notice? This village is home to decent folk only. You won't find any work here.
Sure about that? Beast that did this, it's aggressive.
I like this man. Ply your trade with...
You said the creature wants revenge.
Our forefathers hunted with spear and knife. This
He killed back then too. He's always killed. How many lads died trying to become hunters? Now since our hunt...
We are uncrate. What others buy with...
We are slaves to fear spread by blind fools like you.
I've heard enough. You've got a monster problem.
Oh, we do. Come see me. We'll...
Our little talk while I looked over the corpse? Not nearly enough.
Be not rash, killer. It's not...
I'll decide what to do. But start collecting coin. Got a trail to follow. Wonder where it leads. Smashed bones. That takes strength. No point in trying to parry its blows. Sharpened its claws, or just marked off its territory. Thin and deep cuts, not unlike a razor. A Leshen. Male. Very old. Damn it. Probably marked one of the villagers. Didn't have many friends.
Folk aren't willing to look at this kind of death today. I remember. I was just a... I remember how they hunted down one war...
Your spirit is a very old Leshen.
Rid us of him. Yet he's what made us invincible. Turned us into great warriors.
Back by the tree, you said you know another way to stop the
We must return to the old path, restore the old ways. Our ancestors placed the covenants, do as they did. Go.
There's no guarantee your method will work, and the risks are great.
If the spirit dies, all game will leave the woods. Our men will lose their...
Still better than certain death.
You're not from here. You don't understand.
Gotta give this some thought.
Hey, I love the rain.
I shall name evil wherever I find it, and grant our foes no...
You all dressed up for me.
Went to look at the tracks in the woods.
Told you. He like
Almost certain we're dealing with
an ordinary beast then. Just
not so ordinary. Monster like that's a serious...
Oh, don't you fret.
Just one small problem. The Leshens marked one of you. As long as that individual lives near its domain, the beast can't...
Must be one of the elders. Harold,
Words aren't enough. Gotta find...
Folk won't believe you. They'd never listen to an outsider accusing one of their own. But you...
Gotta use my senses. Find the one marked by the woodland spirit.
Greetings. You're in.
May your axe never crumble.
Which
What is it you wish?
Praise the past.
What is it you wish?
Put on your tunic.
We serve
Sven
her.
visit today?
What is it you wish?
I've seen him looking at you. Pull
We
that one in,
serve
Hilda.
her.
It's raining. Put on your tunic.
I shall name evil wherever I find it, and grant our foes
Don't know nothing.
no rest.
May your axe never crumble.
Who's that?
Got me an eye on you.
We serve her who is virgin.
May your axe never crumble.
Praise the passing day.
The Leshens chosen the girl. Damn it.
Name evil wherever I find it, and grant our foes
So,
It's not intentional.
you don't know the elders like I do. Every last one. And no point in mincing words. Said your...
No one needs to die. The marked one should leave the village.
Did you hear what the Witcher said? We've but to ban...
The Leshens marked Hill.
Hilda?
We must ban it.
But she's one of us. For the good of the... Drive her out. Make sure she knows...
Not going with her?
Tend to your own affairs. I did what I had to do.
Leshen's territory begins here. Need to destroy all the totems before I find the beast. Let's dance. Winds howling. Show me what you got. Yeehaw!
And cold.
Hey! Hey! Look at this. Told you the Witcher had solved this.
What happened?
You rid us of the beast. We rid ourselves of its accomplices. Don't worry. Our agreement stands.
Nothing's changed.
Your work is done, Witcher. You've done your part, and I've done...
Think the village will go along with this?
Folk will calm down, realize the guilty needed to be punished. Do you hear? Fear will not rule my village. And you, Witcher, on your way. No...
Can you swing it